Hello, here's an answer to a question on the forum where Huberto was asking how to set up cabinets under some stairs like this. We can see from this photo that these cabinets follow the shape of the stairs, and that each unit is in fact, if we look closely, the width of 2 steps. So the idea here is, how do we set up a cabinet which is 2 steps wide and with a sort of a stepped top? So let's have a quick look how we do that, the principles of doing it. Let's start a new cabinet, and let's give this cabinet the height under the highest step of our unit, say for instance something like 800, and the width of this cabinet, let's give it the width of 2 steps, say something like 500, and the depth of the cabinet is the depth of the actual unit. The idea is, this box is like a box which is going to fit underneath 2 steps here, and we want the top to be a stepped top. So how do we do that? Well, the easiest way of doing that is to use the unboxing function. So if I click on unboxing here, we can see that we choose the main panel. So let's choose the main panel as being the top, and now let's choose the secondary panel as being the right side, and we can see we get the step type construction which has appeared in here. We can give the sizes here, so the top, from the top size is the height of the step, so 170. The length of the secondary panel is going to be the width of the step, so let's say if we've got 500, let's give it half, so it's going to be 250. And when I click OK, we get that stepped top. Now, the advantage of using the unboxing function and not other types of panels like shelves and uprights and giving them recesses is that the interior volume now stays complete. I click on it, it's one continuous volume. So if I want to put in, for instance, a door, let's just create a division in this and create a division halfway. If I want to put at the top a door, and I click here on my door function, I can put in, for instance, a double door, and that double door will actually follow the shape of the top, and we'll have one door shorter than the other one. If I want to put in the bottom some drawers, let's put here, clicking some drawers, let's put a couple of drawers, and there we have a couple of drawers. If I look in 3D, we have now here this particular function with doors on the top and which follow the shape of the interior volume, because the doors here, they're hinged on this side, but we can always hinge the doors on the other side if necessary. But what we want to do is the first door, let's hinge it on the other side, let's hinge it on the left. Now we can look at it in 3D again, and now our doors are hinged in this way. Now you can now build these units to fit neatly under the stairs by knowing the height and the width of the steps. Thank you for looking. Hope to see you soon in another video. Bye.